So, hey everybody. So, I'm here to talk to you guys today about what this no fees credit card processing is, right? When I say we can essentially waive somebody's credit card processing fees, what is it that I'm talking about? Okay, so obviously somebody has to pay those fees. So essentially how it works is, let's say you own a restaurant. You're doing $100,000 a month in credit card processing sales. Most likely, you're paying a credit card processing company anywhere between $2,500 to $3,000 a month in credit card processing fees, right? So what we can do, we can get that down to $39 a month. That's all you pay, a flat $39 a month, plus whatever maybe equipment fees that you have, right? So $39 a month flat for an unlimited amount of credit card processing. If you increase that to $500,000 a month, you pay the 39 bucks. If you only do 20 grand in 1 month, you pay 39 bucks, right? Now, where do those fees go? The customer pays them, okay? So our technology is completely different than any other companies that offers a similar program, okay? So with our technology, there's no fee at the bottom of the customer's receipt, right? I was in a restaurant the other day called El Buffalo. They are on a cash discount program. So on the bottom of the receipt, it says credit card percentage, and then it has a 3, and then whatever the fee is. So if the bill's $100, there's a $3 fee on the bottom that says credit card processing, right? Now, with our program, it is built into the pricing of each product, right? So if somebody gets a $10 drink, it's $10.30, right? If somebody gets a $100 item, it's $103, right? Okay? So it's built into the pricing of each item, right? Now, if the customer pays cash, then they get a discount at the bottom of their receipt. So if, say, they've got $100 in items total, right? At the bottom, it'll say cash discount, $3, right? So they'll show a savings if they pay cash, but they won't show an additional fee if the customer's paying with credit. It's just built into the pricing. Now, you may be wondering this. Well, what if the customers, the customer sees on the menu it's $10 and we're charging $10.30 or $10.40, right? Well, there's a few different things you can do, right? So we provide you with signage that states the price you see is the cash price. That's the discounted cash price. So that's really all you need legally as a business. You have to put that in your window or on your counter or whatever, right? But what a lot of companies are doing, because they're tired of the credit card processing fees, it's better to just change the menus. Change the menus, put it as the credit card processing prices, right? And then if they pay cash, they get a discount, right? People change their menus constantly anyway, so when you print the next set of menus, put the credit card processing price. That way, those questions don't arise, and people that pay cash, they're like, oh, cool, I got it cheaper than what it says on the menu, right? Completely up to you. But not only do you save a ton of money with us, you're getting in-house customer service 24/7 here in the U.S., right? So you'll always be able to get somebody on the phone. A lot of you probably have credit card processing companies that you can never get on the phone. You can't ever get a merchant statement. They don't want you to know what you're paying, all that stuff. You don't ever have that problem with us. We also provide you with fully warranted equipment, fully upgradable. So if the technology changes, we'll upgrade that equipment. It's a no-brainer. The biggest thing is you get your money from those sales the very next day into your bank account, right? So if you process 30 grand over the weekend, that money's in your account Monday morning, right? We just got to set it to batch out by 9:30. If it's set up to batch out by 9:30 Eastern, then the money's in your account the next morning. If not, it'll be the next day. So it's next day deposits, right? And you can cancel at any time. We don't charge any termination fees, okay? We're the only company that does that because nobody ever leaves us. It's not like somebody can offer you better pricing, better customer service, better equipment. It doesn't happen. So all those people that are coming into your business trying to sell you credit card processing, once you're set up with us, you can tell them, hey, I've already got the best service, right? Or, let them pitch in so you know for sure you have the best service, right? But there's no termination fee. So you can cancel at any time with no penalty at all. It's really a no-brainer. The business owners have everything to gain and nothing to lose by switching to our Waive It program. right? If you want to know more information, click the link below or give us a call and we'd be happy to help you out. Thanks.